Wow, just wow. I had no idea what I was getting into signing up for the Drone Command Live event. But let me tell you, my fire is lit. After day 2, I'm swimming in ideas. I feel like the possibilities are endless in the drone world. There is so much valuable information offered, and the delivery has been nothing short of phenomenal. I can't believe all the details and specifics being shared. This is a steal, seriously. It is so evident that the Drone Command team is full of passion for helping you make your dreams a reality and encouraging you to achieve beyond your expectations. I enjoy the interactions with the team and appreciate that at every opportunity, they're encouraging you to think bigger, dream bigger. A week ago, I was searching for my path, the way to step out of the stream and create my own successful business, become my own boss. I took a chance signing up for Drone Command, and it paid off. This is it. If you're like me and you're tired of making other people rich, working mundane jobs, check out the next Drone Command Live. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. I have one more day to go in this event, and I already feel so empowered to get started creating a successful drone business, knowing there is such an amazing team, a family, to support me along the way. Thanks, Damon, Diego, and all the Drone Command team. This event is life-changing. Day 3, let's go! I came to Drone Command Live not sure what to expect. Now, 3 days later, I'm headed into a whole new, inspired world, ready to start my own drone business. I've learned more in these 3 days about business than I have in years of previous exposure. I am stoked to join the team. No more trading time for money. No more working a job for me. This was the inspiration and motivation I needed. I know what direction I want to go, and the sky is quite literally the limit. Thanks, Drone Command.